Welcome again to another time-sticking YouTube video. Now, fall is upon us, meaning big fall film releases are right around the corner, including one called Ford vs. Ferrari, which should be featuring plenty of racing wristwatches in its retro style. But precursing that film is Steve McQueen's classic Heuer wristwatch, which was its own form of groundbreaking timepiece. So stick with us through this intro, and we're going to have a look at it with you. By the 1971 release of Le Mans, Steve McQueen was already considered the king of cool. His on-screen anti-hero persona, with a penchant for bravery and high-speed motorized stunts, was a cavalier maverick that had loads of larger-than-life swagger. It's no surprise then that his style was something folks wanted to emulate. McQueen got to drive the coolest cars, wear the latest clothes, and wear top-of-the-line wristwatches. In Le Mans, McQueen sports probably his most iconic timepiece, the Heuer Monaco chronograph. Heuer's piece looks great on McQueen's wrist as he navigates the stresses of his character's psychology while navigating one of the most difficult races in the world. The 24-hour Le Mans race is already a grueling experience for any driver involved. It's a true endurance test, with a win boiling down to a series of split-second decisions. With every second counting, it would make sense to have a Heuer watch like McQueen's. Heuer's Swiss mechanical designs were some of the most accurate watches of the time. What sets the Monaco chronograph apart from other Heuers and watches from the time, though, is that it was the first of its kind. Indeed, the Heuer Monaco chronograph was the first automatic chronograph watch available on the market. So once again, McQueen was sporting the pinnacle of engineering while speeding across the screen with iconic flair. That's right, before Tag had any say in Heuer's watch designs, Heuer was already waving checkered flags in terms of creativity and new innovations. With every gear shift winding this automatic piece in Le Mans, McQueen's silver screen partner is just as stylish and iconic as he is. Aside from its capability to deliver a chronograph without winding the crown, it serves up clean 70s-era racing pomp. Heuer opted for a square case design and matched the subdials to boot. The watch also features red hands that pop on top of its otherwise cobalt dial. It has asymmetrical rectangular markers that frame the interior seconds chronograph tick marks. Just the look of this watch alone would make it a standout piece, but its film relationship with Steve McQueen has solidified it as a wristwatch classic. This first of its kind silver screen star actually is still available through reissue by Tag Heuer. Its unique coloration, case design, and retro allure make it a great piece to add to any collection, whether one is into horology, movies, or both. They can still run a shiny penny, coming in at around 4.5 grand. However, can anyone put a price on cool? With the new 24-hour Le Mans film coming up in mainstream cinema, taking place in 1966, it'll be exciting to see what Easter eggs wait for the horologically minded in Ford vs. Ferrari. Racing and timekeeping have an intertwined history, based on precision engineering and breakneck achievements in sport. So it's safe to say, considering the all-star casting and high budget of the film in Ford vs. Ferrari, that it will be a great look back into racing and watch history. That being said, it's going to be extremely difficult for Christian Bale or Matt Damon to match even 1/100th of Steve McQueen's cool. Hello, and thanks for watching our YouTube video today. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like, and you can find similar videos right here. For more new and interesting content from Time Sticking on our channel, please subscribe at the link here. And for more information about wristwatch repair and watch maintenance generally, you can find us at timesticking.com. Thanks so much and have a great day.